Hello and welcome to this watercolor painting tutorial. Today I would like you to join me in painting beautiful red geranium flowers. At first sight this may look like a complex painting, but you will quickly realize that it's much easier than you might think. We're going to paint it in a very simple style that I previously used for my nasturtiums painting. I thought the same idea would work beautifully for geraniums and over time for other flowers as well, creating a nice collection of paintings in this style. The techniques we'll use here are really simple. There is nothing unusual or difficult in the process. The strongest aspect of this painting is definitely the composition and the way we're going to handle the leaves. These two elements, the composition and the fading leaves, are what make this painting look especially interesting. The color palette is also very pleasing. We have contrasting reds and greens softened by delicate browns in the background. Overall, it creates a very calm, elegant and almost sentimental mood. I hope you'll enjoy creating this painting, so prepare all the supplies you need, and when you're ready, let's get started.